This video is brought to you by Binary Bot Real Account. Leverage small $30 trading capital for huge gains on the synthetic markets. The official binary options robot provider for the Deriv trading platform. All info is in the description.
If I'm a big guy in crypto billion, one bag of actives and annihilate. Bloody shoes, man, I crypto.
Damn! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy PabloPipsFX here, man, from Forex for beginners, of course. Today, guys, I'm trying something different, man. I'm trying to push my skills, trying to get better every day. You feel me? So right now, guys, I got that $20 account flip challenge trying to tackle, man. 30 days time, I'll be following a strict set of rules, man, to leverage that $20 trading account to something like 1,000, 2,000 within 30 days. You know what I'm saying? So if you already subscribed to the channel, guys, you know what time it is. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button like you love your mama, man. And just become a true fan and supporter, man. We're dropping gems on this channel like every single day, man. So if you don't know what that $20 challenge is, man, basically you deposit $20 to the broker account and then you try to flip that, man, using proper strategy and risk management. And the broker I'll be using today for this, as usual, the best broker in the world is Exness, man. So I got $20 there in my trading account that I had transferred and made that deposit. And I'm going to do this, man, strictly just because I know that by following this I'll become a better trader. All right, a more disciplined trader following these strict rules, and that's the ultimate aim when trading. All right, you want to be as disciplined as possible when you're in these markets, man, because they will discipline you. All right, they will make you cry. All right, I've seen grown men cry just blowing their trading accounts, not being disciplined. So this video will be strictly helpful for you guys. Also, guys, I'll leave the link for the Xnest broker, man. You can deposit as little as $20, man, to get you started, and they have unlimited leverage, to trade with. So definitely, guys, you want to make sure that you're using actually a good broker when you have small accounts as well. A lot of people don't understand that, man. It has a lot to do with the broker as well, because if the broker doesn't offer certain leverages type, man, you won't be able to risk as much, or to gain as much as you would with certain type of brokers. So having a broker that offers good leverage is highly important. Low deposits, good leverage, that's a good broker, and Xness has all that, man. So I'll leave the link for Xness if you're interested in the description below. Also, guys, I'll also leave a link for this 20-day challenge sheet that I'm currently using. This is the guide that I'll be following day by day, guys, to slowly compound and grow this account. And as you can see, it goes all the way down to day 30, and the ending balance should be 52,000. All right, that's crazy, man. In 30 days from $20. So I'm really excited about this challenge, man, because I'm planning to actually follow this strictly and step by step, man. Just trying to enter the most um high probability trades as much as possible following this guide. All right, so right now I'm gonna switch to my MetaTrader 4. The link for this will be in the description as well, guys. Make sure you get a good broker. If you don't have a good broker to do this with, I recommend using Xness. All right, it doesn't matter if you create a demo account or a real account. You need a good broker that you can actually execute this compounding plan with. All right, so once you sign up with the broker, you get the link to this. Okay, guys, and all that will be in the description below. All right, so right now I do have, I believe, one single trade open with that $20 balance. As you can see, I'm in a bit of profit, like 5 cents. It's been fluctuating. I was like up, I believe, like 50 cents earlier. So it's fluctuating, and the instrument that I'm trading is BTC USD, guys. I'm kind of going short on BTC USD at the moment. As you can see, it went ahead and made bullish momentum to the upside, pushing it up. Let me see if I can get my tools right here, man. All right, use my line tool. I think I'll get my line tool. All right. So you see, guys, it has been on strong bullish momentum, just going all the way up. Let's check the daily chart, see what daily chart is doing. All right. So you see, guys, it's been on that original downtrend all the way down since, right? From here. Okay, and currently it's in a level of pullback. All right, so we see structure being broken from here, these lows right here. We see structure being broken and retested, right, at these levels right here. So what BTC is trying to do, right, it's retesting this area. Okay, I saw that it's retesting this area right here. All right, to continue its momentum further down after this, right? So I thought this would be a good area, right, to enter a sell, all right, to re-enter that sell. All right, we still see possible levels right here waiting, might to be filled. All right, so price can come all the way back to the end of these levels right here before continue going back down. All right, so I anticipated that move. All right, I'm anticipating that move, and I saw that happening, right? So I zoned in like on my 5-minute chart, and look what my 5-minute chart is doing. All right there, that area that I highlighted, it is now having areas of resistance, right? So I'm getting a lot of confluence, all right, a lot of confluence of resistance in this area. So I know that BTC is now looking to head down, man. So I went and I took my entry, right here where I saw it made that initial retest, and now it broke that low. All right, and now it's trying to retest that low that it just broke at the lower part of this rectangle right here to now push back down. I hope you guys can see that. I hope you guys can see that. Knowing where the market goes is the easy part. All right, the hard part comes in entering at the right time, having the right account balance in case of that drawdown. All right, and having the right target profits. Some people get greedy in the market. You don't have a lot, but you want a lot. I don't know how that works, but a lot of persons come to Forex trading with that mentality, and then they blow their account, and then, they're just angry with the world, but guys, it's really disciplined. So now I hope you understand why I mentioned just following that compound sheet, because it gives you an idea and a sense of what needs to be done and just the mindset that you need to have when trading the Forex markets. All right, so it's very important, guys. So this is day one of the $20 account flip. So I mean, not much progress right now. I am in 21 cents profit, you know what I'm saying, but not that much right now. So what is the target profit for day one? All right, so if you want to know, all of that again is on the compound sheet, and the link is in the description to this, guys. Make sure you grab the XNext broker link, because you'll need a good broker to actually do this strategy with. All right, make sure you have the right foundation to kind of yield the right returns and the right kind of end results that you're anticipating. So make sure you're well set up with the good stuff in the beginning, and then you can follow through and expect the best possible results of your efforts. So that is what I believe. But yeah, guys, so day one, you're starting off with $20. You want to make sure that you're risking at least 23%, which is like $4. All right, and you're only heading for a target profit of $6. All right, with an increase of 30%. All right, stop loss at 15 pips. Okay, and take profit at 20 pips. So literally 20 pips per day, and a 0.03 lot size. Right now I have 0.01 opened on BTC USD. I'm planning to use a little bit tweak in the strategy, just adding a few more positions as I see the market heading in my direction. So that's why I only open one position right now, but it's a strategy that I use. All right. but you guys should just definitely follow the risk management and how the sheet says it right here. Okay, so open one position at 0.03 and let that run. Okay, make sure you do your time frame analysis. I did show that in my previous video, so if you don't know how to analyze your charts, make sure you check out my previous video on that. A lot of gems on this channel, guys. Don't miss it. Smash that subscribe button, man, and press the crap out of that like button. All right, because I'm dropping gems on this channel like every day. Okay. Yeah, guys, but day one, no target profits, no profits closed in as yet. Hopefully, in my next video, I have some updates to provide you guys, in regards to this account. All right. But that's all for today, guys. That's all I have, man. Remember to check out the links in the description to get you started and set up with this challenge, man. If you have any questions, leave them down below, man. I'm more than happy just to get to them. I do also have a free Telegram signals group, although I'm not very active in it right now. But for this account management and $20 account flip, I'll be actually sending out the exact trades I'm taking to grow this account into the Telegram group. So for those of you who want to participate in this challenge, you can get access to the trades that I'm taking by joining the free signals group and using the links below. All right, but that's all for now, man. Until next time, it's been yours truly, PabloPipsFX Random from Forex for Beginners. Until next time, man, stay safe. I'm out.